हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग। आई वेलकम यू इन माय चैनल। यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करते हैं डेली के करंट अफेयर्स, whether it is related to political, geological, international, national, all news are covered here. So today's date is 17th July 2020. So coming towards our current affairs, it's my humble request to all of you, if you want a faster video, then you can go through 1.5 or 2x. It would be a better for you. Now coming back to our current affairs, it would be in a one liner format which make your work easy. And remember, here I have used red mark and some blue marked words which will make your work easy and what you have to remember for your competitive exams. So first one liner will be, okay, now this news is for coming from Uber. Uber yesterday, yes, not yesterday, earlier this month, a news came from Uber that Uber is going to switch off its services from the Mumbai region. Okay, so now one more news came from Uber. So Parabjit Singh is appointed as the president of Uber India, South India. So he is appointed as the president of Uber India and South India. Okay, so one designation has come across. So whose name is Parabjit Singh? You have to understand. You have to remember who is appointed as a president. President of what? Uber India and South India. You have to remember who, what, and where. Only this much of question, this much of points are asked in every particular exam, any competitive exam, right? Next. So NTPC, first of all, you know the full form. That is not NTPC Railway. I am talking about National Thermal Power Corporation. That is NTPC. So NTPC along with NIIF. So here you have to first of all remember what is NIIF. Its abbreviation, or we can say full form. So NIIF full form is National Institute and Infrastructure Institute. Okay, so these two institutes, which first NTPC and second one NIIF, they both have joined hands for what? To explore business opportunities in India. Okay, first of all, we all are aware about a campaign which Modi government has started. Okay, Shri Modi ji has itself himself has started, that is vocal for local, right? So in support of that, these two firms has also started there and also joined hands to explore business opportunities in India, okay, which make India Atmanirbhar. Okay, now next. So one research has been done recently, and that research name is Hurun's research. And what has come across this research? So Mukesh Ambani, it is talking about Mukesh Ambani. Here we have seen that many investments, like around 12 investments, have been come on the Geo platform, right? Two major investments are from the Facebook and another from the Google, which recently 2 days earlier we have heard of, right? So here in this research, Mukesh Ambani ranked fifth in what report? World's richest report. So वर्ल्ड के रिचेस्ट पर्सन मुकेश अंबानी के ये जो रिपोर्ट है, वर्ल्ड्स रिचेस्ट रिपोर्ट, इन दिस रिपोर्ट मुकेश अंबानी रैंक्ड फिफ्थ according to which report? Hurun's research report. Okay, in examination they will ask you, so according to Hurun's research, Mukesh Ambani becomes stand at what rank in world's richest person? So that is fifth. Okay, or who ranked fifth in the world richest person, or who belong to India, who ranked fifth in the world richest person according to Hurun's research? So you have to name Mukesh Ambani. Next. Now KVIC, you have heard the name of KVIC. KVIC is first of all you understand its full form. Here it is. KVIC is Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Okay, you have to remember this full form. It is asked in many exams. Okay, and will ask in many exams. So KVIC, first of all, remember its formula, full form, that is Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Okay, so KVIC along with CFTI. What is CFTI? Will understand after it. First of all, what is the one liner is KVIC along with CFTI footwear. So they both have what? Open a footwear training cum production center. Okay, footwear training cum production center. It's a first ever or first training institute in India. So they both in cooperation with each other, they have opened this footwear training production center. Okay, so next we are coming back to, we have to know the full form of CFTI. So CFTI full form will be Central Footwear Training Institute. These both full forms are important, so you have to remember this both full forms. One is KVIC, another is CFTI. CFTI is Central Footwear Training Institute. Next, Nasik. Many of you have aware about Nasik. So Nasik is situated in Maharashtra, right? So which is famous for its production of wines and exporting of wines. So Nasik, here what happens? Healthcare service at your doorstep. Healthcare service at your doorstep. This service has been started in Nasik. Okay, so where where professionals from hospitals, they will visit each house one by one, and check the infected person. Okay, by temperature measurement. Okay, through various equipments they will measure. Okay, uh, I think it must be the part of Chase the Virus campaign, which is this campaign being launched by Uddhav Thackeray ji, Shiv Sena's government. So next, 18th July. So one day you have to remember Nelson Mandela. You are aware about this person. Okay, so 18th July we celebrated as, or observed as, 18th July is observed as Nelson Mandela Day. Next, one more news from IIT Guwahati. So in this lockdown period, we have come across many initiatives, many we can say developments and technologies being invented by IITians and IIT researchers. Okay, so one more research has been developed by IIT Guwahati. IIT Guwahati is in Assam Guwahati, right? So IIT Guwahati has developed a method. They have developed a method जिससे कि वो फ्यूल्स बायोफ्यूल्स बना सकते हैं. ओके, सो दे हैज़ डेवलप्ड अ मेथड थ्रू विच बायोफ्यूल्स कैन बी प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम नॉन एडिबल सीड्स. अब नॉन एडिबल सीड्स जिसको हम खा नहीं सकते, तो नॉन एडिबल सीड से हम बायोफ्यूल कैसे बनाए, उसका जो मेथड है वो मेथड आईआईटी गुवाहाटी ने डेवलप किया है. ओके, द थिंग विच यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इज IIT Guwahati, which I have marked in red color, and developed what? A method of biofuels production from non-edible seeds. This much thing you have to remember. Next, now talking about these two countries, India and Israel. So in this lockdown period, okay, many companies and many organizations are focusing on digitization, right? Yes, but on uh, on one hand, if we are talking about digitization, which is being rapidly increased, okay, so on another hand we have to also talk about its security. Okay, and cyber threats which are upcoming and threatening the persons on a daily basis. Okay, many threats have been seen by the government itself. So that we have to, yesterday itself Twitter, many accounts of Twitter has been hacked, right? So these threats we have to overcome, and for that India and Israel both have signed an MOU. Okay, in cyber threats amid rapid digitization. So next, so one more report has came that is Global Manufacturing Risk Index MRI report. So India has ranked third in Global Manufacturing Risk Index report. Here I have to convey some and share you some news about China itself. So China, why companies like USA has already claimed that they have made its companies to take out its branches from China and take their branches to any other country, right? Many of the companies have already shifted their base from China to the Vietnam, and also they are locating to India itself. But what is the reason why many major companies like Apple and Microsoft are not able to take their companies base from China itself? Because the supply chain management, which China has invested 20 years only for the purpose of to improvement, for the sake of improvement of this supply chain management. Okay, supply chain, this process of China is very much higher, at higher stage. Okay, they have developed themselves at a very higher stage. So their supply chain management, उनकी जो फीचर्स है, उनकी जो टेक्नोलॉजीज है, so सप्लाई चेन के जो डेवलपमेंट्स है, वो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू इंडिया, एज़ कम्पेयर टू एनी अदर कंट्री. दैट्स वाई ये जो सर्विसेज वो प्रोवाइड कर रहे थे अपने कस्टमर्स को, लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एंड एप्पल, द सर्विसेज विच आर प्रोवाइडिंग टू देयर कस्टमर्स, वो सर्विसेज उन्हें बाकी दूसरी कंट्री में मिलने के लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी होगी. इस वजह से क्या होता है कि उन्हें वो बेस छोड़ के अगर जाना भी चाहे तो जा नहीं सकते. That is the main reason. Okay, so that's why India must focus on supply chain itself, this field where they have to increase the supply chain, they have to make their land available for these companies to shift their base to our sites. Next, now one obituary has come, that is of Dr. Subhadram Mansur. Only thing, this thing you have to just remember, Subrata Mansur passed away, okay, at the age of 81. Next. Now, one static I'll be asking you, that static will be, you have to, one static question I'll be giving you every day, so that our static portion will also be covered. So you have heard Vikramshila, Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary. Okay, recently it is in use. It is in news. So you have to uh, go through this GK portion also. It is very important in our every competitive exams. And in recently, what happens in competitive exams, they do not ask GK like earlier medieval and modern histories, like, okay, except UPSC. In other exams like railways, bankings, in those exams they only ask GK portion of the current scenario, whatever happens in century, national parks, or any other states, river, any developments for, that river, that national park, that wildlife sanctuary which are recent in news, that portion of static portion is asked in the form of GK. So in Bihar, this Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary is located. Thank you. This is the end of this current affairs. Stay with us for the daily current affairs. Meet you tomorrow for 18th July 2020 current affairs. Thank you. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.